Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn how to do a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication both without regrouping and also with regrouping as we are in class 3 now. We know that multiplication is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. First, we are going to do multiplication of a 2-digit by 2-digit number without regrouping. What do you mean by regrouping? Without the concept of carryover. Okay, so here first we have to multiply 24 by 11. 24 is a 2-digit number with ones place and tens place. So write down their place value so that the children will be able to write down the next number by which they are going to multiply at their appropriate places. In this case, it is another 2-digit number by which you are going to multiply. So you write it under ones and tens place. Now begin the multiplication from the ones place. First you are going to multiply 24 by 1 which is there in the ones place. 1 into 4 is 4. Next 1 into 2 is 2. With that you complete the multiplication of 24 into 1. The next step is to multiply 24 by 10 because the next one which you are having is in the tens place. So the value is 10. First you multiply 24 by 1. Next you multiply 24 by 10. To do that, first you have to add a 0 in the ones place. Next begin multiplying by 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 2 is 2. If you try to understand, it is like 110 into 210 which is nothing but 200. So it is going to move to the next place value, hundreds place. So now we got two products and now we'll have to add both these products. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6 and in the hundreds place you have 2. So the answer is 264. We said this is multiplication without regrouping because we did not see the regrouping or the carryover concept. Let us do more examples for the same type. Multiply 43 by 22. So yet again these are two digit numbers. Write them in their ones place and tens place respectively. Begin multiplication from the ones place. First you are going to multiply 43 by 2 because 2 is in the ones place. Okay, so 2 into 3 is 6. Next 2 into 4 is 8. Next what you are going to do, multiply 43 by 20 because the other 2 is in the tens place which has a value of 20. So now we have to, before multiplying a digit by in the tens place, you will have to add a 0 in the ones place. So 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 tens into 4 tens. 2 tens is 20, 4 tens is 40. So 20 into 40 will give you 800. So 8 will move to the next place value, hundreds place. Now the next step is to add the products that you have obtained. So the first product 86 is obtained by multiplying 43 by 2. The next product 860 is obtained by multiplying 43 by 20. So now we have to add these two. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 carry over 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. So the answer is 946. Hope you are able to understand how we are doing this 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Let us do the next sum. Multiply 32 by 13. Write down the numbers in the respective place values. Begin multiplication from the ones place. First you are going to multiply 32 into 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Next 3 into 3 is 9. Next we have to multiply 32 by 10 because 1 is there in the tens place. So before doing that, you have to add a 0 in the ones place. Next start multiplying 1 by 2 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3 which will move to the hundreds place. So what will you get when you add these two? 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer is 460. The next type of sums that you're going to do is with regrouping concept. So stay with me till the end of this video. Multiply 35 by 19. Write down the number. These are both 2-digit numbers. You can write down them one below the other in the ones place and tens place and begin the multiplication from the ones place. First you're going to multiply 35 by 9 because 9 is there in the ones place. 9 into 5 is 45. 5 carry over 4. This is the regrouping concept because 45 ones you have. So how you can regroup that? 4 tens plus 5 ones. So 5 ones is retained in the ones place and 4 tens is taken as a carryover to the tens place. You would have understood this regrouping concept in your lower classes. So let us quickly do this now. So now what you have to do next is 9 into 3. You have to multiply, which will give you 27. You have to add this with the 4 which is carried over. So 27 plus 4 will give you 31. So 1 in the tens place and 3 will move to the hundreds place. Now remove all these calculations to avoid confusion. Next we are going to multiply 35 by 10 because 1 is there in the tens place. Before doing that, you have to add a 0 in the ones place. Next, 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 3 is 3. Now, we'll have to add both these products that you have obtained. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So, the answer is 665. Hope you understood how we did a regrouping and multiplied a 2-digit by 2-digit number. Let us do several examples for the same concept to make the concept very clear for the children. Multiply 66 by 24. Write down the numbers one below the other. First begin multiplication of 66 by 4 because 4 is there in the ones place. 4 into 6 is 24. We have to regroup this 24 ones now. So 4 ones will be retained in the ones place and 2 tens will be taken as a carryover to the tens place. Next multiply 4 by 6, 24. 24 plus 2 which is carried over will give you 26. 6 in the tens place and 2 will move to the hundreds place. Remove all these calculations and then we have to multiply 66 by 20 because 2 is there in the tens place. So before multiplying 66 by 20, you'll have to add a 0 in the ones place. Next, you have to multiply 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 carry over 1 because now you are regrouping this 12. 2 in the tens place and 1 will be carried over. Next, you'll have to multiply 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 in the hundreds place and 1 will move to the thousands place. So the next step is now that you have got both the products, you have to add both these products now. 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 in the thousands place should be taken and written down. So the answer that you will get is 1584. All this while we saw a 3-digit number as an answer and in this case we are seeing a 4-digit number as the answer. Next multiplication that we are going to do is multiply 47 by 35. Write down the numbers in the respective place values and begin multiplication from the ones place. First we are going to do 47 by 5. So 5 into 7 is 35. 35 ones has to be regrouped now. 5 will be retained in the ones place and 3 will be taken as a carryover to the tens place. Next 5 into 4 is 20. You have to add it with the carried over 3. You will get 23. 3 in the tens place and 2 will move to the hundreds place. The next step is to multiply 47 by 30. Before that, you'll have to add a 0 to the ones place and multiply 3 by 7. 3 into 7 is 21. 1 carry over 2. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 4 in the hundreds place and 1 will move to the next place value, thousands place. Now we got two products. You have to add these two products to get the final answer. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1 in the thousands place can be taken and written down just like that. So answer is 1645. So when you multiply 47 by 35, you're getting the answer to be 1645. The next sum that we are going to see is multiply 28 by 54. So write down the numbers one below the other in the respective place values. Begin multiplication from the ones place. First you're going to do 28 by 4. So 4 into 8 is 32. 2 carry over 3. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 and the next one will move on to the hundreds place. So you get 112 as the answer when you multiply 28 by 4. The next step is to multiply 28 by 50 because 5 is there in the tens place. Before that you have to add a 0 in the ones place and begin multiplication by 5. 5 into 8 is 40. 0 carry over 4. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 in the hundreds place, and 1 will move to the next place value, thousands place. We are going to add both the products now. 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 1 in the thousands place, and you get the answer to be 1512. The next sum that we are going to deal with is multiply 52 by 17. So write down the numbers and begin multiplication from the ones place. First we are going to multiply 52 by 7. So 7 into 2 is 14. When you regroup 14, you get 4 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Next, you'll have to multiply 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 1, which is carried over, will give you 36. So 6 in the tens place and 3 will move to the hundreds place. Remove all these calculations. And the next step that you're going to do is 52 by 10 because 1 is in the tens place. So multiply. Before doing that, you'll have to add a 0 in the ones place. Multiply 1 by 2, which is 2. 1 into 5 is 5. Add these two products now. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So you get the answer to be 884. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 3 under the topic multiplication for the children. So in this we have completed quick revision of 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 tables and other multiplication concept that the children have learnt in lower classes. It is done in a separate video. Next we saw how to write 7, 8 and 9 tables by properly understanding, and then we did multiplication of these tables on number line. In the next video we saw multiplying a 3-digit number by single-digit number. After that we dealt with multiplying by tens and hundreds. In this video we learned how to multiply a 2-digit number by 2-digit number, both by without regrouping and also with regrouping. So in the next video we will be seeing story sums applying multiplication. After that we will do some mental math sums and multiplication worksheet. Each of these topics will be dealt with in separate videos, and links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. You may also click on the in-screen video which will take you to the playlist containing class 3 multiplication videos. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video with the next topic in multiplication. If you like the quality of my content, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends, and do provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again.